In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fall curriculum using Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use curriculum hub that keeps your courses, units, and weekly plans organized in one place. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left corner. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This opens your main workspace menu and makes it easy to find tools you'll use throughout this setup. From that menu, click Templates. This pulls up Notion's template options, which are a great starting point if you don't want to build everything from scratch. You may see another templates option that leads you to the Notion Marketplace. Go ahead and click that as well. The Marketplace hosts a wider library of community and official templates, so it's perfect for finding something geared toward teaching and curriculum planning. Once you're on the templates page, head to the search bar and type curriculum. This will filter results to layouts designed for lesson planning, unit tracking, and course organization. If you're planning specifically for fall, consider templates that mention semesters, weeks, or timelines, since those typically include views that match an academic calendar. Browse the results and select the template that fits your teaching style. Open the preview to check what's inside. Look for a main database for lessons or units, properties like course name, week, goals, and resources, and built-in views, such as calendar or board. Choose something flexible so you can adapt it to your subjects and the number of weeks in your fall term. When you found the right one, click Add. Notion will place the template into your workspace so you can start customizing immediately. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick the workspace or page where you want your curriculum to live. Now, edit the template to make it yours. Rename the main page to something like Fall Curriculum and update the cover and icon to match your theme. Open the main database and adjust properties to fit what you track each week. Course or class name, unit, week number, objectives, readings, assignments, and relevant links. Create a view for your fall timeline, such as a calendar filtered to your semester dates, or a board grouped by week. Add sample entries for week 1 and week 2 to confirm the structure works, then duplicate those entries to build out the rest of the term. If the template includes a resources or materials section, paste in your syllabi, rubrics, and reference links so everything is one click away. Notion sees automatically, so as soon as you enter details, your curriculum is ready to use and update throughout the semester.